Alrighty guys, we're here at a Best Western here in downtown Indy. This actually used to be LaQuinta Inn. And
there.
Over here. Check this out. We got an old elevator here to ride. Up here it is. Wow, this thing's tiny. No, I'm joking. This thing is.
You need to turn you around.
Yeah. I'm not joking. This thing is. Wow, this thing's. Focus camera. Where the old unit used to be. Not sure what this is, but even though the hotel has been renovated several times, this elevator is still, you know. Look at those buttons. This is a pretty neat elevator. That's probably, I think this might be JL or
Oh, I'm sorry. You got the right kind of coffee this time?
Alright.
Cal? You got the right kind of coffee this time? I did.
But yeah, that's a pretty neat elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.